Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about the ASRock Z690 Steel Legend series motherboard. So friends, ASRock announced sales of Z690 Steel Legend D5 range of ATX motherboard with an Intel Z690 chipset, and friend, it now supports DDR5 memory, and friend, the 13-phase digital power supply circuit has been modified to a 15-phase digital power supply circuit, and friend, Z690 Steel Legend Wi-Fi 6C D5 is compatible with Wi-Fi 6E variants. Z690 Steel Legend D5 is not, and friend, all MOSFETs are 50 ampere DRMOS, and the memory clock is up to 6000 MHz, and the storage consists of Hyper M.2 into 2, Ultra M.2 into 1, and SATA 3.0 into 8, and expansion slots are PCI Express 5.0 16 into 1, PCI Express 4.0 into 4 into 16 shape into 1, PCI Express 3.0 into 4 into 16 shape into 1, PCI Express 3.0 into 2, M.2 wireless card into 1, and friend, the wired network is 2.5 gigabit LAN with Dragon RTL8 125G, and the audio chip is compatible with 7.1 channel HD and Realtek ALC897, and friend, the board's dimensions are 305 mm by 244 mm and employs a PCB with 2 ounce copper layer. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.